We'll guide you through how to upload videos to Google Drive and share the link. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we have a video I want to do this with. Perhaps this is a client you want to go and share it with, or it's just a friend. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. So what we can do is upload it and we'll go and share the link for it. To get started, go and open up a web browser of your choice. Personally, I use Google Chrome, but you could use another browser like Edge, it doesn't matter. Open it up, and then what you need to do is come to google.com, head to the top right. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you are, and make sure you've got the correct Google account selected. You can click on it and change account if needed. Next, you want to go and head to Google Drive, so you can go and press the apps button in the top right, and you can go and find Drive here. Or what you can do is go and type in drive.google.com in the address bar. I've got it in my favorites here, so I can easily go and click on it. Now here we are. Now what you want to do is you want to go and head to the top left, and there you can go and find the option for new, and you want to go and click on it. And what you can then do is go and press File Upload. Your File Explorer is going to go and open up, and you can go and locate the video. Alternatively, if you can easily find it on your computer, what you can do is go and find it. Mine's just here. And what you can do is click, hold, and you can go and drag it into your drive. You're going to see that cloud icon starts jumping. You can release, and now it's going to start uploading. Wait for it to upload. You can see it in the bottom right here. Hover over it, and you can press Show File Location or press My Drive to the left. You can then go and sort at the top here for Date Modified, New to Old. Scroll down, and you'll be able to go and find it just here. To get the link, you can then press the three dots in the top right. Hover over share and press share. This will open up, come into general access and change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Then what you can do is go and press copy link and give that to people. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.